What's going on, guys? I just want to guide you that if I just click on the file manager, then what would happen. I click there, then you can see that this beautiful dialog box, the directory selection, select the directory that you wish to open. There are a lot of directories like the home directory, the web root, the public FTP, the document root for pktutorial.com. What the mean of this? For example, you just don't want access on the pktutorial.com, you just want access on any of your other website which is connected with the same web hosting. Yes, you can connect multiple domain names with the same web hosting, where you can place multiple websites. Even in the single website or the single domain name, you can place multiple websites in a single domain name by adding a slash. I'll just guide you how in this course later on, by the way. So what to do more, I'm just clicking on I just don't need to change the thing from the web root. Just select the web root, the public HTML/www, and click on OK, the go, sorry. Now when I just click on go, it's still there, and this one has opened in a new tab. Then you can see the bootstrap, the HR, the JN, the Pro 3, the Pro 2, the Pro, the QR, the QR 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, the Sean, the WP admin, etc. These are my different panels, my different web pages, my different websites. For example, if I just want to make access on any of these things from all of them, so I just need to type the address. Well, I just guide you later on. Right now I just want to teach you that how to create a page, or how to get the result on the web page on the browser. So guys, you can see that there are a lot of things. The complete file manager, new file, new folder, copy, move file, upload. Yeah, exactly, you can upload any file or the complete folder which you create on the web page on your local machine. Then you have the download button too, then delete button, rename, edit code editor and HTML editor. This is a code editor, this is a specific HTML editor, and this is the extract and compress. You already knew about these basic things, the new file, the new folder, etc. But what is the extract and the compress? By using the extract, you can actually extract the zip file. Yeah, because there are a lot of files. You can understand that a single website can have a lot of web pages. For example, if I just create this the pktutorial.com's WordPress website, this is the WordPress website. So now you can see that the WP admin, WP content, WP includes, the index.html, the PHP ini, the news tube, the WP activate, etc. So it can take a lot of time to upload all the files. So you can just simply upload the zip file, means just make a zip of all your project and upload that, and then you can extract the zip. And in the same way, if you just want to download something, so you can make the compressed version of a file, you can make a zip here by clicking on compress. You can see that now the compress has been activated. If I just I just want to compress these elements, so I can click on compress to make a compressed file or a zip file. Then I can simply download, and the single file will be downloaded. So these things are really important. Right now I'm just clicking on new file. I just clicked on the new file, and you can see that they create a new file name. I just need to mention the new file name, whatever I want. I'm just typing here the new, or just simply learn hosting, or whatever, just learn web, okay, .html. okay, this is really necessary to put the extension, as I just put it, the .html. You can put the .php, .txt, whatever format you want. Okay, the HTML is the basically the web format. The PHP is a web format too, but PHP is a server programming language, and HTML is a rendering language. You will learn a lot of things about the HTML too in this course. In fact, you just know about the HTML already. So what I'm just doing, I'm just simply clicking on create new file. As you can see that I just clicked there. Okay, so now where is the file I've created? There is a file, the learn web.html. And what more I'm just doing, I'm just simply going to the HTML editor, just click there, and essentially assets, something's wrong, just click on the edit. This is not an important issue. By the way, they're just sending me to the format. Now you can see the complete HTML editor with a beautiful format. If I just click there and I can type anything whatever I want. For example, here I'm not, one thing more I just want to clear you that there I'm not just working on HTML, I'm just working on the, you know, that on the designing way. But if I just click on the source, now it's the HTML format which you just know about. Now I'm just putting the title, learn the web hosting. Okay, now go there in the body, and here the div tag, I love it, whatever you just type you can, and then just simply click on save button. Okay, I just clicked there to the save button. Now the file successfully saved the file. Go back to there, and this is a file. Let's just right click on the file. You can see that the HTML here, all the menus there too. I'm just clicking on the view. Okay, they're just basically viewing the file, not the in the text way, not in the browser way. So close that. And now this file is directly, without any folder, this file is directly on the public HTML folder. Okay, point to be noted then this file, the learn web.html is directly inside the public HTML folder. So you just don't need to mention the public HTML, you just simply need to mention the pktutorial.com or your domain name, and then add a slash, because the file is directly inside the folder. So just type the learn web.html and press enter. Because I just pressed enter, now you can see that learn the web hosting, and I love it. You can see that what I just typed here. This is the way I am working live. In fact, you can work live too. I'm just typing some more things. For example, this is an impressive way to work. Now just click on save, and yeah, successfully saved the file. Go to there and just click on refresh. Now you will see the change. This is an impressive way to work. So I think you just got the meaning how to work on. And if I just click on the preview, sorry, yeah, it's just showing the preview but not the way we want. Close that and just click back on the source. Now this is the simple WordPress, basically the MS Word way, the spreadsheet way, word processing way, with the beautiful editing area. Let's just close that. And in the same way, you can see that this is the HTML editor, but if I just click on the code editor, so they will send me directly to the coding area. This is the coding ground. You're just gonna see now exactly. What about this? Is it looking fine or no? The div and etc. Now there is no HTML editor. That was the HTML editor, but there is a link. Switch to text editor. If I just click there, nothing happens. Just it just converted into the text type. It will work the same but without any colors. So I just want the code editor because that is totally fine. So by the way, this is the thing I just want to show you, the code editor too. The second paragraph, you can type whatever you want. Just click on the save button and go there. Yeah, you should see that it's successfully saved or not. Sometimes they just give us the red sign too. That means something's wrong. Now the second paragraph, I'm just working online live. I'm working live. I'm just closing that. I'm just going back, and now this is the file I've created. And now, did you remember that we've created a lot of files, a lot of projects here? I'm just going to the master project. Come on, let me open on, and basically here inside the HTML, or just go back, yes, go inside the HTML and just open up the source, and I'm just opening the table coding. Just edit with Notepad++ and copy all the code, and go to the browser back, and there let's just open this file, the code editor. Yeah, exactly, I just want to edit the code. Let's just select all these things and update that one and save, and go back to the browser. Here is it saved? Yeah, refresh. Now you can see that This is a live view of what we work. That means it's working pretty awesome. Just close that and go back to the notepad. Sorry, not the notepad, to the file manager. In the next class, we will learn how to upload a complete project and how to download the complete project. So guys, goodbye and stay tuned.